We're wearing overalls today, baby. Do you know what that means? We're doing a project. So I've got this table that I've never introduced you to because it's ugly. This table has been a tried and true for a few years. It has been inside, it has been outside, upside down, blown across the yard. I've also accidentally drilled a few holes in it. Whoops. So today we're giving her a glow up. The first step to success was filling these drill holes. My best and only idea was to put hot glue in there, and I would give it a solid C. Next, we gave her a good sanding. I wrapped her in a little paper skirt and she's ready for the ball. First coat is complete and drying. A lot of the texture is still there. By texture, I mean like scrapes and scratches, other unsightly things like where I filled the drill holes with hot glue. I'm gonna give her another sand before my second coat. We're just all gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best. Mochi, you crossing your fingers? This actually worked out fine. It smoothed the surface out a lot. I would recommend it. If you're wondering why I'm using a glove, it's because I just did my nails last night. Should I have? No. Did I want to? Yes. We're gonna do it to him. I am gonna be totally honest with y'all. I completely lost track of how many coats I put on this dang table, but it was a lot, okay? Just trust me. And we're gonna keep with that theme because I am using inexpensive paints to put my decoration on. So that also took probably 4 coats to get opaque. So I'm gonna use some movie magic here to just show you the original design. It also took me a really long time to mix the right browns that I was looking for. You'll notice, due to costume changes and lighting changes, that this occurred over 3 days. And it was mainly because I could not get the right browns. I wanted a really distinct light and dark, and we finally nailed it. I drew this design many different times out on paper before putting it to my actual table. So if you're feeling apprehensive about doing a big project like this, I would definitely recommend sketching a lot before you start. This table now serves as my desk that I use every single day when I am working, when I am goofing off, and it makes me so happy to look at. I love videos like this because they inspire me, and if you were inspired to do a project, let me know. We would also love to see you around more often, so if you're not yet subscribed, click that button below the video. It's completely free, I pinky promise. If you've been around the block and you want more videos from me, I highly recommend you join us over on Patreon. There's a ton of videos over there that you probably haven't seen yet. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.